This is steak, one of the most loved foods around the world. Simple, rich, and satisfying. But how much would you pay for it? Let's start with the cheapest version. In many parts of the world, you can get a plate of steak for just $5. It's a thin slice of beef, grilled on the street or in a local diner, served with rice, fries, or salad. No fancy cuts, no rare ingredients. Just basic seasoning, smoke, and heat. It's fast, filling, and made for everyday people. But now let's look at the other side. This is a 5 Kobe beef, the most expensive steak in the world. It comes from a rare breed of Japanese cattle, raised with extreme care. They're fed a special diet, sometimes even beer, massaged daily to keep the meat tender and fat evenly spread. The result? A steak that's so soft it melts like butter on your tongue. Perfect marbling, deep flavor, no knife needed. And the price? Over $1,000 for a single cut. In some places, it's served with gold flakes, white truffle, or rare Himalayan salt. Not on a plastic plate, but on crystal or fine porcelain. It's not just a meal, it's an experience. So we ask again. Same food, grilled beef, but one costs $5 and the other over $1,000. Would you go for the street-side steak or pay for the world's most luxurious bite? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more real food comparisons from around the world.